Booger. You gotta hold the camera up, see? You can see me. Look, now you can see Roxy. Do you want to go see the puppies? Uh-huh. Don't touch that button. Don't touch it.
I see puppies.
Here, I'll hold this. You can see the puppies. Aren't they cute? Oh, Roxy's in the way.
Puppies.
Yep. He's trying to get to his mommy.
Mommy.
What?
Are the puppies?
Mm-hmm. There's Fat Buddy. Go get Fat Buddy. Say woogie woogie woo.
All right, well, we'll see you next week. All right, bye-bye.
You made pretty eggs. Someone says her name. Someone says Daddy's name. Good job. High five.
Get that downloaded. So
High five. I got some of them downloaded and uploaded and stuff like that.
Oh, you had? Did you know how to do it? You got the cord?
No, I just took this thing.
Oh, that's right. You need the cord for the TV.
Booger, say bye. Say adios. Say see you later.
Give her. Say give me.
Hey, your grandma Donna's gonna watch this. You better say bye. Booger. Say bye.
Is your belly feeling bad again?
I see.
Is your belly feeling bad again?
Say bye.